Okay, today we're going to talk about the posture exercise. At the same time, the lose our belly fat. Recently, we are using computer and smartphones a lot, and also driving a car. Bad posture habit. So many people have a bad posture. For example, like a full head courage and shoulders rounded. Or if our head is folded and the shoulders rounded, it causes many problems with neck and shoulder because of gravity. Our head is like a bowling ball, neck and shoulders for our head. But if our head is folded, much more pressure is loaded on our neck and shoulder area. So our muscle is very tightened, or sometimes pain and stiffness, or sometimes pain goes down your arms or hands. So feeling some numbness or tingles. So this exercise pretty helpful to correct your posture and your abdominal muscle strengthening. So it's slimming. It's very easy to do that. You can do it wherever you are, in the office or in your home. You can do that. It's very simple. Shoulders down and back, and chin tucked straight back. And just imagine that someone pulls up your head to the ceilings, okay? Head toward the ceilings. So your body's lengthening to the ceilings and shoulders down and back, and chin tucked straight back and up. And it's automatically our abdominal muscles push it in, throw in. So it can burn our abdominal fat here. And transabdominal muscles and other abdominal muscles is activated at the same time. So shoulders down and back and chin tucked straight back and up. And someone pulls up your head to the ceiling, kind of like a puppet, puppeteers manipulate it. Your head, pull your head up to the ceilings, just like this for 10 seconds. And push your abs in. So it's very helpful for your posture and your abdominal muscles.